Hi, I'm Scott Brooks, owner and partner of Gold Coast Financial Group. We are a wealth management and estate planning business that includes investment design and management, retirement and estate planning, legal guidance, insurance-based solutions, tax reduction strategies, alternative investments, and many other things that could be related to your financial well-being. I'm proud to work alongside my business partner and sister, Julie Maines, who leads our insurance and in-house estate planning division, Maines Law Office. A little bit about me. I've been involved in the investment business since the mid-90s, during the exciting times of the original dot-com bull market, which ultimately led to a bubble. Back then I was working on the trading desk during my sophomore summer of college at UC Irvine, where I studied economic and business management. After graduation, I took the weekend off and continued to work in various departments from corporate finance to corporate accounting, working up to the executive vice president of branch development and our advisor services department, all the while fine-tuning my investment programs, techniques, and skill set. Basically, I was tested in the trenches of the investment business, inside and out, backwards and forwards. After 14 years of learning the ropes and evaluating the advisor businesses of all of our financial advisors, over 1,000, I saw who did right by their clients and ran the most successful practices. In 2008, Julie and I joined forces to create our family office structure, a comprehensive, holistic business of investment design and management, estate planning, tax reduction strategies, insurance solutions, alternative assets, many things to do with the growth, safety, security of your assets in one company, in one location. The concept of a family office was always reserved for ultra high net worth families. We created a family office for all families and individuals and businesses, for all people. At Gold Coast, what do? We customize, design, and manage investment portfolios to get you to and through retirement. We provide tax reduction strategies for high income earners or large asset sales. Let's lower that tax bill. On Julie's side, she offers insurance solutions and protection strategies where they might come into play. She offers estate planning and legal assistance in many categories. We sometimes include alternative investments to further diversify portfolios beyond the traditional stocks and bonds. With your membership, we provide a powerful aggregation platform to track all of your assets and liabilities in one place, so you know your total net worth each and every day. We're here to guide you through every stage of your financial life, from wealth accumulation to wealth distribution, in retirement to legacy. We're not just financial advisors or investment brokers, insurance salesmen or lawyers. We offer it all under one roof as a family office organization, a concept typically reserved for ultra high net worth families with 100 million or more in assets. Our tax strategies can sync up with your CPA, or we work closely with our local relationships nearby our office. With the family office available for all families, individuals, and businesses, we believe everyone deserves that level of attention and collaboration when it comes to their finances. Our approach is all-encompassing and synergistic, looking at your entire financial and family picture, your investments with and outside of us, your rental properties, your businesses, whatever might play a role in your long-term financial success. Our approach is independent, customized, and thoughtful. We're not tied to a larger institution's agenda. Our overarching approach is as a fiduciary and in your best interest. We operate as a hybrid structure. We don't believe in limitations when it comes to what is best for you. While we primarily offer fiduciary managed strategies, we also offer brokerage services depending on what's in your best interest for the investment strategies utilized in your entire portfolio. We think performance matters. When people say that most managers don't beat the index, I say they don't try. I'm also a portfolio manager of 15 different managed strategies. I love the game, and I do put in the effort. And not to mention, my family's portfolio consists of the same strategies as our client portfolios. This chef eats his own cooking, and this pilot wants to get to our destination and land the plane just as much as the passengers. It's one thing to have a plan, but does your advisor know how to navigate the markets? Are you in a 60-40 model? Are you in index investing? What happens when we have another .com or real estate down negative 50% stock market? Are you sure you want to ride that out? Or would you prefer dynamic strategies that can shift and move with the trends? We have powerful tools to empower you. With eMoney Advisor, our Fidelity-owned aggregation platform, we own the site mydailyworth.com. It's our aggregation site where you can list all of your assets and liabilities updated daily. You can link all of your investment accounts and bank accounts with us and outside of us. List all of your valuables, track your assets, investments, real estate, liabilities, debts, mortgages, credit cards, income and outflows, etc. Your total net worth updated every night where you have an online login. We can access nearly 80 financial reports to measure your progress and plan for your retirement. That's why we call it mydailyworth.com. Because your net worth should be tracked daily, just like your health or your fitness. Let's go beyond traditional investing. Alternative investments. We specialize in alternative investments that go far beyond stocks and bonds. Industrial distribution centers, senior housing, apartment and land development, private credit, oil and natural gas that also helps reduce your tax bill, 1031 exchanges, and the deferred sales trust to defer taxes. When building investment portfolios, we often refer to the endowment model, referencing the allocations of the large universities such as Yale, Harvard, and Stanford. Large portfolios designed to last for generations. We adopt those principles for our clients to help build resilient growth and income portfolios that are not overly exposed to the ups and downs of the volatile markets. After all, sleeping well is very important. We help clients reduce current income taxes with investments that reduce your annual tax bill. We can defer capital gains on the sale of real estate or a business for 5, 10, 15, 20 plus years, you choose, while you invest the proceeds and collect monthly income. That's the power of the IRS Code 453 installment sales structure of the Deferred Sales Trust, one of the many tools we offer. I've been in the business for over 30 years, and our independent affiliation gives us access to tens of thousands of investment opportunities without being limited or confined like many advisors at larger institutions. However, your assets are held with strong financial institutions such as Goldman Sachs, Fidelity, Schwab, and Axos Clearing. As a parting comment, whoever you do choose to handle your hard-earned assets and legal planning, do your due diligence. Make sure you understand the strategies used to design your portfolio, and consider working with an independent wealth manager who puts your interests first. In my experience, the independent-minded wealth managers do not work at the larger financial institutions. To learn more, visit Gold Coast Financial Group or gcfginc.com for short, or contact us for a no-obligation consultation. 949-545-6500. Thank you for your time, and we hope to be a trusted partner in your financial journey.